Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super handy for all you travel enthusiasts out there. How to use Afterpay for booking flights. If you've ever wanted to jet off on a trip without paying the full amount up front, Afterpay is a game changer. It's a buy now pay later service that lets you split your payments into interest-free installments, making travel more accessible. First things first, what exactly is Afterpay? It's a payment option available at many online retailers and travel sites, including some airlines and booking platforms. But remember, not every airline accepts it, so you'll want to check compatibility before you start. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1. Make sure you have an Afterpay account. Download the app or sign up on their website, it's quick and free. You'll need to link a debit or credit card and verify your identity. Once that's set up, head to a travel site that partners with Afterpay, like Expedia or certain budget airlines. Look for the Afterpay option at checkout. Step 2. Search for your flights as you normally would. Enter your dates, destinations, and passenger details. When you get to the payment page, select Afterpay as your payment method. It might ask for a quick eligibility check, which usually involves a soft credit pull, so no impact on your credit score. Step 3. Confirm your purchase. Afterpay will divide the total cost into 4 equal payments, due every 2 weeks. For example, if your flight costs $400, you'd pay $100 today and $100 every fortnight. Pretty straightforward, right? Now, before you book, keep in mind the pros and cons. The biggest pro is flexibility. It helps manage your budget without high interest credit. But watch out for late fees if you miss a payment, they can add up quickly. Also, ensure the flight price is worth it, as some deals might not be as cheap with add-ons. One tip. Always read the terms and conditions from both the airline and Afterpay to avoid surprises. And if you're a first-timer, start with a smaller purchase to get the hang of it. In summary, using Afterpay for flights can make traveling a breeze, but use it wisely. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel hacks. Safe travels, everyone. See you in the next one.